Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I won't be teaching you anything. I just like to share a happy moment which happened a few days ago. I've been a driving instructor for last nearly 20 years, and the journey has been exception. Teaching someone learn to drive and then see them passing the test is the greatest feeling, which I can't explain in words. So the journey has been exception. Then I wanted to have a platform where I could help the learners even more. So I've been thinking, what can I do to do even more to help the learners on the road? So then I came up with a plan to have a YouTube channel. I didn't know where this was going to go. I didn't know how big it's going to be. I just wanted to have a channel, even with one video, to see if it works and to see if it's helping the viewers. Just over a year ago, on 17th of December 2017, I've launched this channel with a video, and today it's been just over a year, which is 1 year 3 months, and the journey has been exception. I mean, reading the comments that you make and seeing how it's helping and how those videos are helping you, changing your lives, it just exceptionally beautiful feeling. I just can't explain in words. Few days ago, the channel reached big number of 10,000 subscribers, and I just can't believe the journey has been so good. I mean, 10,000 subscribers on my channel within 1 year 3 months. It's just an amazing, and I just wanted to share with you this happy moment, that I am so happy that the channel is helping, and I'm so happy that you are with the channel, and hopefully it's helping you too if you're watching now. And I plan to continue to do even more to help you even more, create, upload videos that helps you, changes your life when it comes to driving. So I just wanted to share that with you so that you know that I'm so happy that my channel just reached 10,000 subscribers. I hope it grows even more and helps you even more, and I like to help as many learners as possible, because this is something that it makes me so happy now. And I'm so grateful to YouTube for giving me this platform, because I feel that this is a great platform to help others from the knowledge that you have. I mean, we all have some kind of knowledge, and if we do, I mean, we should share to help others. And the only way I could do to share my knowledge, which is the driving, is through this YouTube channel, and I'm so grateful to YouTube to giving me this platform to share. Please continue to support the channel and then make comments. That's gonna help you so I could make more videos to help you, and I wish you all the best and see you on the next video. Hopefully that video will be that I am helping you on something and not giving you a speech. And thank you for watching, and bye for now.